Hello friends, welcome to another video. Next weekend, the 10th and 11th, I think it will be September, me and my son are doing a Suffolk to Sea, which is a 25-mile canoe trip from Suffolk to, I think it's Manningtree, somewhere like that. So frantically trying to get prepared for that. Hence the reason for this video. So I went into an antique shop last weekend, and in the corner there's these bad boys. These are proper antique. It's got the remains of a sticker there. That's the only bit there is. There is no other name or maker on these paddles. So there's 4 of them, 4 paddles, and I've not even tried if these work yet or not, but yeah, they're just designed to slot into each other like so, one opposite, and away you go. So I don't know what that's all about, but it's proper perished, and little rubber ring. So yeah, I'm just about to sand them down. I mean, there's a lot of cracks and what have you, so got quite a few repairs to do. These are quite cool. They've got like a riveted steel part on the end of them, for the protection of the blade. But yeah, I'm going to sand them down, see if we can use them. Might not be able to use them, or just take the best 2. I've got a single paddle, which I intend to use with my son, because my son's doing it as well with me. But obviously, when he wants a rest, I'm going to be double paddling. So yeah, I thought I'd bring you along. I just want to show you the workmanship here that I'm unfolding. Really is this is like a brass or a copper, probably copper, protector. I thought that was steel when I first saw it, but it's just riveted on the end. But you see how it's kind of folded over. Proper craftsmanship, and just a lovely sort of shape and profile to the paddle. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do them up and actually use them next weekend. I'm going to try, but if not, then it'll be just something nice to hang on the wall in my studio. So yeah, like I say, there's some severe damage going on, but I'm not sure what it's made from. It's really lightweight, obviously, but yeah, we'll keep going. Got a particularly bad one here. Not sure if it's gone too far, to be honest, but I'm going to stick some wood adhesive, hope for the best. Just got to get a kitchen knife from the cutlery drawer. No, just kidding. Try and get it all the way down as far as we can. I don't know if it's waterproof glue, probably not, but better than nothing, I think. So I've just been sanding this down even more, and it's just occurred to me that on this side you can see that this is made up, as a modern canoe paddle is, of, I think there's one, maybe a join there, 2, 3, 4, 5 strips that's been glued together. But what the difference is between, and this, this was a Canadian red tail, and this is obviously made by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strips, but these 3 in the middle, you know, very, very narrow. I don't know what kind of wood it is. Beautiful wood, but the craftsmanship in this one is that this one's straight, and this one, as well as being crafted that way, it's got a bow on it as well, which you see the difference there. It's quite a work of art to get this paddle, and it's quite a work of art to get this paddle the shape that it is. Yeah. Okay. Keep sanding. Found some of this in the garage. Danish oil, Canadian cedar. It says it's water resistant, but it's probably not ideal. I probably need to use some sort of marine varnish or something like that, but I think it'll do for now. Yeah, I'm quite pleased how they've turned out actually.